But I know, yeah, I know it's a matter of time till you walk back out of my life. Leave me standing here lonely, feeling like a fool. Every time you say we're done, you come back to the love you were running from. Don't know why I let you, but I do. 'Cause I love chasing after you. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you guys how to play this awesome song. This is by Ryan Hurd. This is Chasing After You. And Maren Morris. Sorry, I should say Ryan Hurd and Maren Morris. So this is a really great song. I heard it on Amazon and I really wanted to share it with you guys. So please hit like and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have other questions, other songs you want to learn, any questions and stuff like that. More than happy to accommodate as best as I can, all right? Anyone who watches the channel consistently knows that I really go through the requests and do as many of them as I can. So please ask me to teach you more songs. All right, so this song is in standard tuning, and you have a capo on the 2nd fret, okay? So I'm going to show you how to play the chords, and I'm going to show you where they go and the strumming patterns and everything, all right? So what you're going to do is, well, one thing to keep in mind, when the capo is on there, everything, the finger placement is all in relation to the capo, all right? So, for instance, this is like 0, the 0 fret, okay? So this like 3 is actually 1. All right, so everything I tell you is in relation to the capo. So some of the chords you're going to need to do, you're going to need to do D. So D, all right, you're going to put your pointer finger, goes on the 2nd fret, all right, on the G string, then your middle finger, all right, goes on the 2nd fret on the little E string, and your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string. And then I mute the big E string with my thumb like that, just by touching it. Okay, I'm not holding it down, I'm just touching it, okay? Then you're also going to do G. So for G, you're going to put your pinky finger. So you're going to leave your ring finger on there, okay, on the 3rd fret on the B string. You're going to put your pinky on the 3rd fret on the little E string. Your middle finger goes on the 3rd fret on the big E string. And your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay? Then you're going to do B minor. B minor, this is a little bit hard for some people, but you guys can do it. So what you're going to do, you're going to put your pointer finger, just like that, on the 2nd fret on the A string, and you're going to bar it all the way across. And notice I'm touching, but not pushing down on, but touching the big E string just to kind of mute it. That way it doesn't make much of a sound, okay? So then you're supposed to bar that if you can. If you can't, just try, because it will at least mute the other strings, okay? So you're going to do that, then you're going to put your ring finger on the 3rd fret, all right, on the D string, and you're going to put your pinky finger, sorry, that's the 4th fret. So pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string all the way across, ring finger goes on the 4th fret on the D string, and your pinky finger goes on the 4th fret on the G string, and then your middle finger goes on the, all right, on the 3rd fret on the B string, okay? All right, then you're going to do A. So for A, you're going to put your middle finger goes, and you can use whatever fingers you want. I'm just showing you the way that I do it and the way I think it's supposed to be played. But so you put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your pinky finger goes on the 2nd fret on the B string. All right, and then you're also going to use F sharp minor. So for F sharp minor, remember where we were for B minor, okay? So you're going to lift off your middle finger, take everything off, and move it up one set of strings. So pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the E string all the way across. Middle finger goes on the 4th fret on the A string, and your pinky goes on the 4th fret on the D string, and you don't use your middle finger on this one. Again, if you have a hard time playing, like barring the whole thing, on that one, just try it and it will at least mute all of it. If you really can't do it, you can just play it like a power chord, so you don't have to be actually like holding the other ones down, okay? So those are the chords we're going to use. I'm not going to show you how to do the intro with the picking because this is more for beginners, but let me know if you guys would like to see that in another video, okay? And I'll see what I can do. So the chords you're going to start with is D. You're going to do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. So then you go to G. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so you do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down. Just like that, okay? So you're gonna do that twice, okay? Well, actually, sorry, you'll just play it once like I just did, and then you're going to go into the verse. So the verse, then you'll do the same thing. So you're going to start with D. Okay, so the only ones you're using for the verses are D and G. So you're going to start with D, and you're going to do, you come over when your wine's all gone. So winds is where you're going to do the single strums. You come over when your wine's all gone. Always catch me when I'm not is G, not that strong. Then you wind up staying all night long. Ain't nothing new. So on new, you're going to go back to D. So you're just doing D, G, D on this one. Okay, new. Then you wake up with you, then I wake up with you on my chest. So you're still just doing D, chest. You got a way of making me is G, me, forget. But with you the answer's always yes, every time you call. So call, you go back to D. Call, you're gonna go, but I know. Okay, so for no is where you're gonna start playing G. But I know, yeah, I know, it's a matter of time till you walk. Okay, so then the strumming pattern and the chord progression both change for the chorus. So for the chorus, you're gonna do G, D, B minor, A. That's how you're gonna start it, okay? But the strumming pattern is gonna be different. It's gonna be, but I know, yeah, I know. So you're doing down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through that for the whole thing. So you're gonna start with G. But I know, no is where you do G, the first strum, okay? But I know, yeah, I know, it's a matter. Okay, matter is where you do D. Matter of time till you walk. Okay, till you walk. Walk is gonna be B minor. Walk till you walk back out. Okay, out of is where you're gonna do A. Out of my life, leave me standing. Okay, standing is G. Standing, you're lonely, feeling. Feeling is D. Feeling like a fool. Fool is A. So then you do like the or the ooh, whatever it is. So you go to B minor, A every time, and then every time is where you do G. Every time you say is D. Say we're done, you come back. Back is B minor, so that's easy. Back to the love you were running from. Okay, running is where you're gonna do F sharp minor. Running from, don't know why. Okay, so then Y is G. Don't know why I let you. Let you is D, let you, but I do. And do is A, do. Cause I love chasing. Chasing is B minor. Chasing it. So for the first part of A, before you say the F though, A is where you do A. After you is where you're gonna do G. You. Then at the end of or yeah is where you're gonna do D. And you're gonna start over with so the second verse is gonna be the same as the first one. So to walk you through that, you're doing, but I know, yeah, I know, it's a matter of time till you walk back out of my life. Leave me standing here lonely, feeling like a fool. Every time you, let's see where I lost my place. Sorry about that. Every time you say we're done, you come back to the love you were running from. Don't know why I let you, but I do. Cause I love chasing after you. Okay, so that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It was fun learning this and teaching it to you, and I'll see you next time.